What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Ritchie. I'm a professional Forex trader. I've taught over 8,000 people how to trade in the foreign exchange markets, and I'm looking to teach you today.
Currency Gods is a newly established company focusing primarily on Forex traders. We're on the web at www.currencygods.com, and it's an online platform that gives its members an online community of other traders from all around the world learning together while earning together.
Top squad.
But everything's alright, and I'm so wrong. Life challenge you to stay strong.
Let me tell you what's special about what we do here at Currency Gods. We've taught over 8,000 people, as I said before, something that you can really gain and really keep, the intellectual property, and that's what we're here to do. None of the washed down YouTube videos that you see over and over again. No referring you to another website. We're going to take care of everything that you need right here in-house. So if you want more information, like this status, share this status, and comment 1 for more information. I'll see you guys on the other side.
$1 million dreams when I sleep, man, I dream so long. Despite how everything right by the end